Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these overwasher and dryer storage shelves. These are a 6 tiers laundry room standing shelf, and I got these sent for review, and this is how it comes. It is on assembly, of course, and these are some like breaks that you will be needing to install in order to put the rest of the shelves on top of them. Okay, so these will stop the other shelves from going further or going downward. Okay, so this is how you will be putting it together. Right here, first you need to do the legs on the sides and the middle of these shelves, and this is how you will be doing it. Then you will be putting the parts that goes on the back and the sides, so you have a proper standing shelf and balanced shelf. Of course, right here we are adding some more of the pieces that you will be needing, and then the rest of these sticks will be going to give it a little bit of height to our shelves, and then we will be adding the shelves on top of them. And this is the part where you will be hanging some clothes. You can use these to store some of the things, to have your laundry organized. You can have your detergents here, towels, and start hanging some of the clothes that you don't want to put in the dryer right here. This is a sample of how you can start using it on top of your washer and dryer machines. This is amazing to keep things organized, clean, and tidy.